Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix no internet problem, no network problem in your Realme device. So let's start the video, friends. So if you're facing these type of issue, first of all you have to open your aeroplane mode for 10 seconds at least. Then friends, you have to turn off this airplane mode and it will refresh your internet connection. So if then it is taking too long to open any file, download any application, or if it is taking too long in the video, so you have to open your this settings, click on search right here, reset phone, and here it is reset mobile network settings. So you can see this, so you have to tap on it and do a reset, so it will fix your problem, and just restart your mobile also. If it is not fixing it, just remove your SIM card and then put, it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.